In this video, I'm going to show you how to reset YouTube recommendations. Resetting your YouTube recommendations help you discover new and relevant content by clearing out unwanted or outdated video suggestions. So let's start the video. First, open youtube.com and make sure you are logged in. Now we need to clear out YouTube watch and search history. This is what YouTube uses to suggest new videos. So here's how to do it. Click on the History tab in the left sidebar. If you don't see the left menu, then click on these three lines to open the YouTube menu. Now click on the History tab. On the right sidebar, click on Manage All History. If you scroll down, this is the list of YouTube watch and search history. Here click on Delete and then select Delete All Time from the menu. Now click on the Delete button at the bottom right corner of the screen. So click on Got it. So that's it. By following these steps, you will have a fresh start with your YouTube recommendations. Thanks for watching.